You're next.
Okay, continue answering questions, and as you can see, I just did that ZARADKA class, and I have a question from, where's that question? Hold on, it just roll out. Gary, so Gary asked me, if I do feel pain after the class, what should I do? First of all, you should go to the specialist right away. Every time you do by yourself without any knowledge, it's a chance you got some injury, you got some disbalance in your postural, in your body, and that's gonna create that pain. Also, sometimes pain because you didn't use the muscle for a long period of time. There was muscle dystrophy. Now you load that muscle, and it's sore or pain, whatever you feel. Give yourself a chance. And also go super slow, like slow, control the motion, and don't go through the pain. If you feel it's enough, or it's not working, you try to do something like weird, compensate, just stop and see the specialist. If you feel pain in your spine, definitely go to doctor, go to the specialist, and identify what's the issue with that spine. Remember, the whole class, it's need to be pain-free. If you experience discomfort, if you just experience like fear, weakness, don't do it. You need the specialist, and it's all about. Also watch our correction exercise, which is going to help you to understand what's going on with your body. So that's the key. Welcome Gary, and continue to do our class. I'll see you up there. Thank you. Bye-bye.